8 side hustles to replace your day job in 2023. $500 per day. Ready to say goodbye to your day job and hello to financial freedom? In this video, we'll show you 8 side hustles that can potentially replace your current job and bring in up to $500 or more per day in 2023. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start earning more money on the side, then keep watching. Welcome to the Peak Performance Channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Don't let your day job hold you back any longer. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 side hustles that can potentially replace your day job and earn you up to $500 per day. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or completely transition out of your current job, these side hustles offer a range of opportunities for you to explore. So if you're ready to ditch your day job and start living the life you deserve, then let's get started. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Also, be sure to watch our other videos. Number 8. Have you ever imagined running a store where everything in your inventory is free and you get to keep all the profits when you sell something? It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. By using websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and other inline marketplaces, you can find free items in the free sections and resell them for a 100% profit. While it's true that there is often a lot of trash and junk in the free sections of websites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, you might be surprised at how much good stuff is actually being given away. All you have to do is keep an eye out on the free sections and look for items with potential. When you see something like go pick it up, give it a once over, possibly clean it up or fix a couple of minor things, and then relist it for sale. With this simple process, you can make money by reselling items you got for free. Give it a try and see how much you can earn. Number 7. In the past, if you wanted aerial shots for a movie, TV show, or photography, you had to pay a lot of money to send a helicopter with a camera operator up in the sky. But now, thanks to drones, you can get high-quality images and videos for a fraction of the cost. So how can you use a drone to make money? There are many possibilities, such as real estate photography and videography, selling stock images, doing couples photo shoots, assisting building inspectors, providing aerial footage for concerts or sporting events, or even working for farmers to inspect livestock or crops. The possibilities are virtually endless, and the only limitation is your time. If you want to take it to the next level, you can even start a drone-based business and hire a team to do all the flying for you. The sky's the limit, pun intended, with this lucrative side hustle. Number 6. Have you ever thought about renting yourself out for some quick cash? It might sound strange, but with services like Rent-A-Friend or Papa.com, you can get paid to offer companionship or light assistance with tasks like housework, shopping, or transportation. While these services are entirely platonic, they can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side. Papa.com in particular stands out because it connects you with the people who may need these services more, such as older individuals. If you decide to use Papa.com to rent yourself out as a friend, you'll earn an hourly rate plus bonuses. These bonuses are based on the number of visits you complete, and the company occasionally offers other bonuses as well. One of the best parts of this side hustle is that you can make your own schedule and simply show up for your appointments. The app tracks all of your travel, so you'll start getting paid as soon as you arrive at the location. The application process is straightforward. Just fill out the application with your information, pass a background check, and answer a few more questions. If you're approved, you can watch the company's guidance and start making money right away. Number 5. If you have a particular skill or are willing to try something new, you can likely make money with a wide variety of services. Apps like TaskRabbit and Handy are great for finding jobs like gift wrapping, holiday decorating, waiting in lines, cleaning up after parties, yard work, handyman services, home repairs, moving help, mounting TVs, assembling IKEA furniture, organizing closets, doing research, grocery shopping, and much more. To get started, you just need to sign up for the app, list yourself and your available services, choose a rate, and wait for people to book you. For example, you could earn $30 or more per hour just for gift wrap, $100 to $200 per hour for mounting a TV, or a similar rate for helping someone move. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4. Did you know that you can sell blank books on Amazon and make passive income in the hundreds or thousands of dollars? It's true. The best part is that Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) service takes care of most of the work for you. And if the idea of writing entire books seems daunting, don't worry. You can sell what is called low-content books, which are mostly blank books with just a little bit of content. These might include notebooks, graph paper books, puzzle or game books, study guides, to-do list books, journals, planners, progress trackers, coloring books, food logs, and more. There are countless possibilities for creating low-content books, and once you design and upload your book to Amazon KDP, it's completely hands-off and passive income. With a little success, you could create a few books in your spare time and make $50 to $100 per month in passive income. If you're willing to put in more time and effort, you can continually make new books and build up your entire catalog, potentially earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Some people even make more money than that. The key is to put in the time to learn the process and figure out which types of books sell best. With the right approach, this can be a very lucrative side hustle. Number 3. If you love animals and want to make up to $500 per month or even more on the high end, then you should check out Rover. This app connects you with animal owners who need services like dog walking, daycare, house sitting, boarding, and drop-in visits. All you have to do is sign up for the app, pass a background check, and fill out an application for approval by the Rover team. Once you're approved, you can start offering these services and potentially make over $500 per month by working just 1 or 2 times per week. It's a great way to earn some easy money if you're already an animal lover. Number 2. If you have a computer, a good microphone, and enjoy talking about specific topics, you can start a podcast. While it's true that there are already a lot of podcasts out there, that's because it works. Starting a podcast isn't easy, and it takes time to build a following. But if you do get traction, you can make a lot of money through sponsorships. As your podcast grows in popularity, sponsors may start reaching out to you, and depending on the size of your audience, you could earn anywhere from $500 to many thousands of dollars per episode in sponsorships alone. This is on top of the potential income from affiliate marketing, which can be another significant source of revenue. Just like starting a YouTube channel, it's important to have a long-term mindset because success won't happen overnight. If you're interested in starting a podcast, I recommend checking out Riverside, which is a great tool for recording and managing your podcast. They also have resources to teach you how to run, grow, and name your podcast. Number 1. Tutoring is a great side hustle for college students, recent grads, or anyone who enjoys learning. By sharing your knowledge of math, science, history, or other subjects, you can make $30 or more per hour helping students understand their classwork or prepare for exams. Additionally, there's a high demand for tutors to help seniors with their college applications, as many students and their parents struggle to navigate the process. If you have the patience to help and guide students through the application process, you could easily make an extra $100 or more per session. This is a highly in-demand gig because there are many parents who want to help their children get into their preferred schools. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, said Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.